Who's ready to prime today? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week we did our inner fenders or our exterior fenders and got those primed and ready for their paint coat. So we are still waiting for the paint booth to show up. So hopefully that'll be here during this video, but we need to get the inner fenders ready for paint. So we have a paint primer on it, not the greatest coat. Did it on the back of the cab while the fenders were sitting there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to start laying down this, get this ready for primer or ready for paint. So we're going to finish the primer coat on this, flip it over to the other side as well, and get the other one as well. So we have the fenders and the inner fender liners ready for the truck. So let's go ahead, hop right in, and start laying a coat. So we have two beautiful paint coats of primer on both of the inner fender liners, at least on the exterior on the top. The underside still needs to be done so that I can get this thing ready for primer or ready for its paint coat. Now, we moved the other one up and out of the way because we wanted to get this one. So that one is drying. This one is starting to dry. So we'll get this moved out of the way and then we're going to start moving some more panels onto this stand and getting things primed. We have a lot of priming to do. I'm looking around and just while I'm standing here, I see at least 6 panels, 7. I have a lot. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna get this thing out of the way and we are gonna start getting everything primed out, at least on the back now. So the front is pretty much set to go, minus the hood, and that is gonna be a pain. I have to take off the hood to get to the panels underneath because it's partially holding the hood up right now. So I can't take those panels off yet for primer. That is the radiator and the grill support. So the grill, again, is still out in Fredericksburg getting chromed out. I can't wait to get that thing back. They're hopefully gonna get me some pictures of along the way, maybe a little bit of videos so that we can see the process and what's going on in the chroming. They said it's gonna look better than it did the day it came off the factory. Now, this truck is not gonna be perfect. There's gonna be some imperfections. So when you do see it in public, just know it's hand built by me. I've done everything minus some small pieces that I have definitely shipped out. But What we're gonna do now is get this thing moved out of the way and start moving in some other panels. So we've run into a tiny snafu. The paint booth arrived today, and unfortunately, the one that I ordered didn't arrive. So the one that I ordered was supposed to be 29 feet. However, the one that showed up is like 13. So unfortunately, that's not gonna work out. We're gonna continue priming on the truck. We're gonna get the inner fenders all complete, hopefully get a lot of what the truck needs done, at least for priming for the fenders and inner fender liners. We also have the back that we can also do. We have the door that on the front side is completely done. We can flip over those bed panels, get those done as well. Everything's dry and ready for its primer coat. So let's go ahead, get back to the back of the truck and start spraying the underside of these fender liners so we can start working and getting this thing ready for real paint. So that looks absolutely incredible. But now we have run out of time for today, as we have taken a lot of time getting the gun set up and getting everything situated every time we fill up the gun. So, you have to clean it out of anything residue-wise, or else it's going to spew all over the place. But it is laying down amazing. We are really impressed with this gun right now. We have both fenders done, both inner fenders done. The outside of the door is complete on the driver's side. So we have a lot more to do coming up. We have the back side of the tailgate panels. We have the tailgate panels itself. We have like the side panels, and we have the rear fenders to do, as well as do the entire cab. So the cab is what we are going to be focusing on next week. So I hope you guys stick around. We hope to see you guys then. Hope you guys are liking the videos. I hope you guys are subscribed to the channel, and make sure you guys drop a comment and tell us how we're doing. So we'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue on the C10.